Hey everyone, this is Viz coming at you with another video. So I just want to make a quick video off the fly here. So I have my Galaxy S26 Ultra. You know, I love this phone. It's a great phone for great hardware. But here's one thing that's got me like a little enraged here, and that is that the AI broke. my my AI broke on me, and I don't understand why. So basically, what happened is if I activate Gemini, right? And well, hold on, because I have to use Bixby because fucking Gemini doesn't work. So let me go ahead and plop it down here real quick, and let me go to the settings and change this real quick. Settings. That's gear folder. Settings. And let's go to sidebar. Let's change it to digital assistant. All right, so basically, I get this error code. This is a test. See? Well, now it's not even giving me shit, but hold on. This is a test. Yeah, there it is. Error code 1099. 1099. So I looked that up, and basically it's something on the back end of Google Gemini servers where like my queue is like it like basically blocked the pipeline to the server, and so it's not communicating with the server. And I've done all the things it tells me there to do. I did the freaking clear cache, create a new chat, and the thing is that it's something with the phone, because when I go and I go to Gemini and I actually launch it, like it works, and I can type in like I can say stuff, you know, but like, what's the weather? And it's gonna go through, but the action of actually, you know, of holding down the button and activating Gemini, it just doesn't work. Even if I do with the voice command, hey Google, Google, hey Google. See, it's not even working. What time is it right now? Yeah, see, it's just broken. So I did all that. I did the clearing of the cache. I contacted Google support, sent out an email stating that, you know, I'm getting this error message and all that. They haven't reached out to me yet, so I just wanted to create this video just to let you guys know, like, if AI is going to be such a big pivotal part, especially when it comes to Galaxy phones in general, because they're you know, they have this contract with Gemini and with Google to make, you know, their phones a part of Gemini, to run natively on it, right? And we're getting this kind of bottleneck issues, because I can also do Gemini on my iPhone that I'm recording on, and it goes through. So it's not the back end, because if it was the back end, it wouldn't matter what device that I use, right? It would just be whatever, you know, it's under my Google Pro account. So it all goes through the same server. I mean, it's going through the same account. So it has to be something else with the phone, I'm assuming. Which sucks, because I love this phone so much. It's a great design phone. You know, hardware is awesome on it. Cameras are great. It's just, you know, this is one of the reasons why people say they don't like Androids, because there's always these little faults that happen that are, you know, detrimental to the features that they're being offered. Like, if you're telling me that, you know, the whole thing of this phone is to have generative AI and, you know, AI in general, and then I'm trying to use it to, you know, because like I use this phone to generate my thumbnails and stuff like that, and you're telling me that, you know, that key feature is just not working because of something on the server side, then how reliable is the technology? You know, how reliable it is that, you know, I'm trying to, you know, make this into a productivity phone, and the main feature on it is broken. And, you know, I'm a tech guy, right? So I can go and go troubleshooting and go through the forums and request support. But a lot of, like the main consumer, they're not tech savvy. They're gonna want something that just works, and that's where the iPhone comes in, because iPhones, yeah, they might be bland and they might not be intuitive anymore or innovative, but they have gotten to a point where it's like a piece of technology that never fails. Like there's stuff that they offer will always work. Bad example would be the whole AI stuff that was delayed, but their key features that they say that they offer, they work. And if they don't work, you can go and contact support team, and they can get with you through the app, and it's a really nice integrated process. Like when I had to contact support for Google, like I had to go to like their website, and once I got to the website, then I have to get somebody to come and do like an instant message type of thing, but it's not natively on the phone. You have to like go through a web browser, and then it's some dude from India or something that doesn't know how to type correctly. And basically the guy was just telling me like, oh, well, it's something on the server side, you got to contact or create a ticket or a queue, and I'm like, well, can't you do it? Like, why does it fall upon me as the person reporting it to generate a ticket, where that's kind of like your job? You're like, you should have the obligation to create that for me. Like, so at the end of the day, I had to go back and switch over to Bixby because my AI broke on me and I can't use it anymore. And I'm still waiting on them to reply back for a fix. They haven't fixed it yet. So, other than that, like the phone's great, great cameras, great video, pictures. I love the One UI 8.6 is it right now? Or 8.5. It's great, it's fluid. It's just these little quirks, man, that sometimes I'm just like, damn, I'm glad I have a secondary phone, and it's an iPhone, because I can fall back on it, because I just don't understand why it has to be these faults with Android, because it's such a good device. It's just not reliable. It's just not reliable, not for the daily consumer. And until they can iron that out and have features that work and don't break, like they're always going to be secondhand to iPhones, and then that's how it is. I mean, I'm not an iSheep or Apple sheep or anything like that. I like both platforms, but if you would compare them, like the best consumer one right now is still the iPhone, hands down. So yeah, that's just been my quick thoughts on it, because I've been dealing with this for like the past 3 days, and it's just infuriating to me that such a key feature for this platform, for the Galaxy phones, that they've been promoting it and everything, and for it to break on me like that, and I literally can't fix it, and I have to rely on support, and support is not good right now. So yeah, let me know if you guys dealt with this error before, and how did you guys fix it, or did it just resolve on its own, or are you still having problems with it? And I'll see you next time, guys.